Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at a brand new 2023 Salem Cruise Lite 28VBXL Platinum Edition. I'm going to step on up inside here, show you what it's all about inside and out, and then we'll close it up at the end as well. So right here we have a 2-bedroom, 1 slide out family trailer here. So right now we're looking straight ahead at the slide out section here. There is kind of an L-shaped / U-shaped dinette. They call it the Versa Lounge. So right now it's in L-shaped sofa mode, but the back over there will actually flip around, giving you the full U-shaped dinette area when you're ready to eat. There's storage underneath the sofa and underneath the dinette seats themselves. The dinette area will also make into a bed, and so will the sofa area. Kitchen area over here, you have some overhead cabinets, microwave, hood range light and fan, propane oven, 3-burner stove top. It does have the light up knobs, the flip down glass lid, and the light in the oven as well. Little double bowl sink, high-rise faucet. The window behind the stove area there does also open. You'll notice the heat ducts are coming out the cabinets instead of out the floor area. Has the 10.7 cubic foot Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. Big windows overlooking the back side of the RV. Then here you have kind of a little pantry area here. So you have some pantry up top and then a little more space down below as well. Over here on the door side area of the RV, we have our bathroom area. So you have shower area here, ABS tub surround, pull across door, basically a step-in shower. Has a skylight up above as well. Foot flush toilet, some cabinet space there, little medicine cabinet area, and you also have a little vent fan up there. Going into the back bedroom area here. So we have quite a bit of sleeping space back here. Now right now I have the bunks up in the air and I have the bottom bed made into sofa mode. This is what they call the Versa bed. So this bottom bunk will actually, or bottom bed will flip out, and it's basically a short queen. So you could sleep a couple people down here. And then your upper bunks will also come down, giving you room to sleep a couple people up there. Now kind of stepping in here and spinning around, we have a little bit of nightstand area over there, electric outlet, USB charger ports, little cabinet over here as well, electric outlet up above there, and more USB charger ports. Some storage space down below. Heat duct down there also. All vinyl floor back throughout the whole coach, actually. It's all vinyl floor. AC is ducted. Electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space here. Furrion soundbar, and a large area there for a nice size TV. Going up here a little bit further, we have our main entry door area. Heat duct coming out the cabinet down there. You have your fire extinguisher. Hopefully you never need it. There is some control panel stuff here. There is a button here you can push to turn off the lights or actually dim the lights as well. So it's basically a little dimmer switch to brighten or dim them. You have slide and awning buttons here, light switches, water pump water pump button here, water heater button, and you got your monitor panel. And this one was also ordered with solar, so it has a 30 amp charge controller here that you're seeing. Now the master bedroom up here, you have hanging closet on each side, overhead shelf space. You have what they refer to as a camper king bed. It's basically what I refer to as an Olympic queen, but it's 66 inches wide. So it's 6 inches wider than a traditional house queen, but not the size of a real house king. There's a little laundry hamper over here on the right. The bed will raise up and you can get to your outside storage if you want, but you also have these little totes underneath of here, and you also have a little shoe nook area below that as well. At the foot of the bed area here, there is TV hookups up on the ceiling there. So you can mount you another TV in here, and again you have air conditioning in here as well. So pretty quick and easy inside tour here. We're going to head outside here. I want to show you around the outside. But a nice little family coach here. Fairly affordable. Not going to break the bank. Get the kids out, get the family out, and do some camping. Now again, this one was ordered with the Platinum package. So that Platinum package puts fiberglass exterior on the side and the rear. You still have a nice smooth rolled metal front. It's nicely rounded back actually, good aerodynamics compared to the traditional flat front versions. But the Platinum again, fiberglass side here. You also have tinted windows for 2023. The interior, by the way, changed up a little bit, not a lot from 2022, but outside wise here, you get the fiberglass feature, tinted windows. You have a window in the entry door. You also got the solar on there as well. These are a few things that they did not have in the old 2022 models. More ride step above entry step, rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, so it don't shake and rock and roll the RV as bad when the kids are running in and out. Large folding entry handle here. Little outdoor kitchen area here, so you have a little griddle, propane griddle, electric mini fridge. This right here is held up by a magnetic clip, but you have black doors. There is, again, the window overlooking the kitchen area. You have enclosed underbelly, magnetic holder for the door. Looking just down below here, there is the fresh water tank drain and a propane hookup down here for your griddle. Electric outlet and cable outlet here if you want to do a TV outside. You also have cold water spray port. Furnace exhaust out here, double axle unit, steel wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. Stove exhaust out up here, couple speakers up there as well. Now this also has a power awning on it, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, and you also have a manual override in the front arm head. Underneath here is also the hot and cold low point water drains, and then you have quick drop down jacks. It's another new feature that they changed up from last year's model. The jacks basically don't take as long to crank down, but in all truthfulness, get you a good cordless drill, socket, stick on there, zip them down, nice and easy. Flat back rear end, you have the optional spare tire and cover on the back here mounted to the bumper. I say optional because a lot of people do buy these things, park them at lakesides or whatever, never use them as far as the tires and stuff are concerned. So they leave it up to you if you want the spare or not. Most dealers stock it with a spare, but make sure it does have it if you want it. It is prepped in the top center there for a Furrion rear observation camera, allowing you to see what's going on behind you when you're either driving down the road or backing into a campsite. Definitely recommend that feature. It's a nice safety feature to have. The black rectangle there in the top left is prepping for the Lippert Stow and Go ladder. Another nice feature to have. Basically, it is a telescoping ladder that you can hook on there, telescope it down, and climb up onto your roof to inspect it and check things out. It's nice being removable, so you don't have to worry about the kids or neighbors or whoever might be around climbing up there, getting hurt, tearing something up. Detachable power cord here, stretches out roughly 25 feet or so. Cable satellite inlet right there. Black tank flush to clean out the toilet tank. You have the dump area right here for your gray, black, and galley. Everything's all right here. City water hookup, 6-gallon gas electric water heater. The slide out is prepped for a Solaire slide awning cover. So if you want to do that, talk with your salesperson about that. Nice feature to also add. Again, it's pre-prepped from the factory for that. But basically it is an awning that rolls in and out with the slide. This is a 12-volt electric slide system by Schwintek. And basically that, again, shades the room, helps repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, things like that. Huge windows on that slide out right there. Pass-through storage across the front. Again, these baggage doors are also held up by magnetic clips, black doors. Here we have some important informational stickers. I want to pop these up for you here real quick. The first one popping up is your main production date sticker. This has production date on it, VIN number, axle sizes, but most importantly here, gross vehicle weight. It's the most you can load the RV up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next, unloaded vehicle weight sticker has VIN number, dry weight, basically unloaded weight when it rolled off the factory assembly line, and then it also has the length on it. Next is your cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed that gross weight on the first sticker. And last but not least, tire sticker here telling you tire size, but also reminding you tire pressure, cold tire pressure. So make sure you do check your tire pressure from time to time, very important. On around to the front again here, again, rolled aluminum front section, lower diamond plate metal. Two 20-pound propane tanks under the hard bottle cover there. Power tongue jack, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, 2 5/16 hitch ball. There is room for 1, possibly 2 batteries, depending on the battery size you go with. Comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker, but if you do purchase from Couch's RV Nation, it will come with at least 1. If you want a second one, talk with your salesperson about that. They'll go over that with you. And then down there is a battery disconnect. So that will allow you to shut the battery off for storage purposes. But overall, pretty cool little setup here. Now stepping back inside here, I want to show you real quick what this looks like closed up. So when you are ready to close up the RV, we're going to come right back here to our slide button at the control panel. The slide comes straight in and goes straight out. So you hit the button to bring it in. Obviously you want to make sure nothing's in the way so you're not accidentally running something over. Same thing when you're going out, make sure there's nothing in the way like an electric pole or water pole or something at the campsite so you don't accidentally run into that. So you can see with it closed up, I can still walk in here. I could get to my bedroom on the right, no problem. I could come in here, kind of step around and get to my refrigerator. So if I'm stopping at a rest area or something, I want to come in here, load up my fridge, I can do so. If I need to come in here, wash my hands or something, I could do so again at a rest area. But if you want to get back to the bathroom or into the kids' room, you would have to bump out the slide out. And again, that only takes a few seconds to run that in and out. But be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country, selling thousands of RVs a year. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it.